Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're in my bedroom, and when I started this series, I started it because I deep cleaned this room. And today I'm not gonna deep clean it, but I have to clean it up. I have all of this laundry that needs to be hung up and put away. I dread doing laundry, it's just a chore I am not fond of. So we're gonna clean up this bedroom, and then over here is my bathroom, and I did not deep clean that, so that'll be a majority of this video is the bathroom. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and go ahead and come along with me. Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I am on day 8 of my series, and I'm really excited because my bedroom is one of those places I'm trying to get into a habit of cleaning on a regular basis. I'm going to go ahead and make the bed. I'm typically not the person that makes the bed in this house. My husband does. He's better at it than I am. And I have really pretty bedroom covers and stuff, and pillows and everything, and a skirt that I bought, and I've never put it on the bed. I think I've had it for a few months now. So maybe one day I will come in here and film me decorating and finally putting my pretty bedding on the bed. We'll see. Y'all, it's my basket of shame. Like, I'm so happy that I drink this much water, but why can't I just pick up after myself? If y'all noticed from the day I did my laundry room, this is all the laundry that I had in that closet, and I cleaned the laundry room days ago. So maybe it's time I put that away. As you can tell, there's some summer stuff like tank tops in here, and we're in December, so that's how long that laundry sat down there in that closet.
Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you know it and you're okay.
I know that a lot of people like to listen to music when they clean. My favorite thing to do when I clean is catch up on criminal documentaries. I don't know why I'm obsessed with them, but I will always turn them on when I'm cleaning just so I can hear it in the background and learn some unnecessary things about criminals, I guess. So in my master bathroom, I'm going to give it a real good deep clean, but I'm not going to be organizing the drawers because, again, I have recently done it. If you want to see me organize my bathrooms, I will put an iCard above with my bathroom hacks. It's also a very deep cleaning of my bathrooms, but it has a lot of organization using the Dollar Tree products that I found to use in my bathrooms.
Be the one taking me home. One thing really do one. Say that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both fear the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it.
And as usual, I'm going to be using my Blue Dawn and vinegar mixture, and then I will finish off with the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. Out of true honesty, the only time I ever clean my showers standing outside of my shower, dressed, is when I do it for you guys. I typically clean my showers when I'm in my shower. I will jump in, do exactly what I'm doing right now, then I will shower, and then when I go to get out, I will do the daily shower cleaner. I'd never do the clothes, and I got soaked, and I'm wearing jeans, and it was so uncomfortable, but I do it for you guys. officially accomplished. I am so excited. I know I say that every time, but each room just makes me so happy every time I finish. I know I'm doing something good for myself, good for my home, and just loving the fact that every room is clean. Thank you guys so much for coming along for another day of extreme cleaning. I really appreciate every one of you guys for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a like if you want to see some more.